Children, listen pa. This is exercise 6.3 from application of derivatives chapter 6. Part number 6 means 5 video already we have done from this exercise. This is part 6. Question number 20 we are starting. Show that right circular cylinder. We are talking about a cylinder pa. Okay, right circular cylinder. So that there is a cylinder here. There is a cylinder, right circular cylinder we have, right, fine. Given surface, given means see, given after anything is given na, that we have to use for differentiate. We should not use we should not differentiate that one. To differentiate we have to use, to meet it means to convert in a single variable we can use that. Okay, then surface we can use for a convert it, which means cylinder. No, generally surface na, total surface area you have to use. But generally surface area na, total surface area only, what is that you have to use. Okay, so that cylinder surface area, that I am taking as yes. Children, have you remember cylinder surface area? When I am giving introduction of this chapter, I gave one tabular column. Have you remember? 2 pi r into h plus r. Formula is very important pa. Right, this is yes will consider. Next, maximum volume. See, maximum word is given along with the volume. Then what we have to do the volume? Differentiate. Okay, where the word maximum, minimum, greatest, least word and all is there, that one we have to differentiate. So that maximum volume means volume of V, which is equal to pi r square h. Pi r square h. In this we have a variable, two variable, one r, another one h. Right, fine. Such that what you have to prove? What you have to prove? Height equal to the diameter of the base. What you have to prove? What you have to prove? To prove what actually height is equal to diameter of the base. So you want to prove volume is maximum. Okay, first volume is maximum. Okay, volume is maximum you have to prove, and h is equal to 2r also you have to say. Okay, we have to say many things here. Sorry, two things you have to say. One, volume is maximum. Another one, height equal to diameter of the base. Okay, right, fine. Now let's start one by one pa. So this is I'm taking as a radius r, height h. Height h. So diameter na fully you have to draw. Then one more r will be coming. Means 2r. Okay. Now you can simplify that. 2r when you multiply inside what? This is s equal. Okay, this is s equal to, listen pa, to find I will bring little top. Listen, from here you find either h value or r value. Listen, there is a square for r. There is square for r. If you find r now, you have to apply square. Better you can find h value. H you find a little easily you can go. So this multiply 2 pi r when you send opposite now, divide 2 pi r, which is equal to h plus r. This plus r you send opposite. Plus r when you send opposite, what I am getting? S by 2 pi r minus r, which is equal to h. Which is equal to what ma? H. Now you can apply the value for a, what is that? H you can find. If you want to take cross multiply, you can take daraja. So what I am getting? S minus 2 pi r into r square divided by 2 pi r. Okay, which is equal to h. This is the h value. Take the h value, substitute in this. What I am getting? Let's see. Now here v equal to pi r square into h value what na? Here we have. That will take as something name by 1. Okay. So that h value what? S minus 2 pi r square divided by 2 pi r. Okay, this is by 1 I have done here. By 1 I have done. Children, have you understand what I am doing? Right. Next, what is possible to cancel? Do it ma. 1 pi cancel. 1 r is cancel. Then remaining will be there as it is. So the 2 you can 2. Okay, r you first multiply inside. So that s r minus 2 pi r into r square na r cube divided by 2 we have. The divided by 2, let me write 1 by 2 outside. Is it okay? Is it okay now? Huh? Yeah. The 2 also, if you give separately, na, here 2 will cancel. Okay, let it be. Let it be. This is the V pa. Now volume only you have to differentiate. So differentiate now. So what I am getting, V dash is equal to multiply 1 by 2, let it be, S into R derivative with respect to R. See, we are doing differentiate with respect to R. We are doing by R. Okay. Minus 2 pi into R cube when you differentiate. Very good. 3 times R square you will be getting. Understand? Now you can simplify this. 1 by 2 into S minus 3 2s are 6 pi R square you will be getting. This is V dash. Answer number 2. Now we have to put equal to 0 to find the R value. R is the variable here. Okay. So that put what is that, V dash is equal to 0 to find what is the R value. So that 1 by 2 into S minus, children, here S is constant, don't forget, S is constant. Why S is constant? I told you already, given after whatever they are giving, that you have to consider as a constant. In the previous question also I said. In the previous video I have mentioned this. Okay. So that 6 pi R square equal to 0. Multiply 1 by 2 when you send opposite, na, that will be divided. So 0 divide anything, 0, leave it. Then S minus 6 pi R square equal to 0. S equal to 6 pi minus R square. Minus when you send opposite, plus. So that S divided by 6 times pi, which is equal to R square. This is R square. R if you want to find, na, square when you send opposite, it will become root. So that square root of S divided by 6 times pi, which is equal to R. So that you can use either R square or R based on the what is that, double derivative, will choose it what. Okay. Now we have what, ma, R value we have, V dash we have. We need double derivative to say maximum. That's it. Now we will find double derivative. So that differentiate 2. So that V double dash is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is multiply. I said already S is constant. Constant when you differentiate, what you will be getting, pa? 0 minus 6 pi multiply R square when I differentiate, what you will be getting, pa? Yes, 2 times R. So that finally what I am getting, listen, denominator 2, numerator 2 will be cancelled. Then what I am getting remaining, minus 6 times pi R value I am getting. R value we have already, that you apply there. What is that? Minus 6 pi square root of what is that? S divided by 6 pi, which is less than 0. See, we can simplify. That we don't want. That we don't want. The negative is important. This is less than 0. Na? Double derivative less than 0. Then what it mean, pa? Maxima. Then R is equal to, okay, then R equal to S divided by, square root of S divided by 6 pi is maxima. Maxima in the sense volume is maximum. Okay, that is volume is maximum. Sorry. Volume is maximum. Okay, volume is what, my dear? Maximum. That's it. See, maximum they asked to say, yes, we got it. Next step, what we have to do? H equal to 2R you want to bring. Volume is maximum we have done. Next to prove what we have to do now? H is equal to 2R you have to bring. Shall we go that? I want the next page. Then in the same page, can I erase something? First page I will be doing. In this itself, I will try to complete. So that H is equal to R if you want to do now. Take that, what is that? Take that R value, substitute in the H. Okay, substitute in the H. So what we got, that you take, that we take. So we got that R square is equal to S divided by 6 pi. Listen children, R equal to what we got ma? S equal to 6 pi. When you take cross multiply 6 pi R square, which is equal to S. S means what I know? S means what I know? Surface area. S means what I know, my dear? Surface area. That you can apply here. Okay, S means surface area. That you can apply 2 pi R into H plus R. Okay, ma, 2, see, this is surface area of S. Okay, whatever possible to cancel, cancel pa. Pi cancel, 1 time 3 time cancel, 1 R cancel. Then what is remaining pa? 3 times R equal to H plus R. Plus R, when you bring opposite, 3 times R minus R equal to H. Then 2 times of R is equal to H. Hence proved. Okay, hence proved. So two things they asked. One, volume is maximum, we have to say, we have done in this page. Next one, H is equal to 2 times of diameter, they asked to say, that is also we have done. Are you understand children? Is it okay pa? Question number 20, they will ask in 3 mark or 5 mark. Okay, write fast. Do it fast, Raja. Those who are done, go to next question. Boy side, done up. Girl side. Okay. 21st question. So listen pa. 21st question, what they are telling, we'll see. Of all closed cylindrical cans. So we have a closed cylindrical can, it seems. Okay, there is a closed cylindrical cans. Okay. And what is given? Given mentioned now, what is meaning? Given after anything is given, now what we have to do it? That is constant, and given we have to use for a derivative. We should not differentiate the given. Okay, we have to use. Okay, so given they gave as a volume of 100 cubic centimeter means volume of, first this is cylinder shape. In the cylinder, volume is given. Volume, that is V is equal to 100 centimeter cube is given pa. Find the dimensions. Dimension of the cylinder means what you will say pa? Dimension of the cylinder means what you will say? Radius and height is the dimension of the cylinders. Okay, that's it. And next, what is that? Minimum surface area. Have you noticed it? Have you noticed it? Question number 20. Listen, children. Question number 20. I mean, what they gave? Maximum volume they said, and surface area is given. Opposite of this, in the 21st, surface area is minimum they said, volume is given. Okay, there surface area, what is the given? Volume they said maximum. Here surface area is minimum, volume is given. Opposite. Shall we go? Right, listen carefully. Surface area means what is it? TSA. Okay, generally surface area na TSA. So that what is that surface area? That is S, which is equal to, what is that surface area of cylinder bar? 2 pi R into H plus R. Okay, 2 pi R into H plus R. Okay, this is, I wanna, what is that use? Sorry, this is, I have to differentiate because that is, they have mentioned the minimum. That's it. Okay, here what we have to find now? To find a dimension, that is H and R, or R and H, and minimum surface area we have to say. Minimum surface Minimum surface area we have to say. That's it. Now listen pa. What is volume is given? Volume na V. So what is volume of a cylinder? Pi r square h is equal to 100. Okay. From here, what is easy to find that you find? H value easy to find. Okay. So that h is equal to 100 divided by pi r square. 100 divided by pi r square. That one I'm going to use. Take it, substitute instead of h. See, r if you're trying to find, now r also you can find. That is our wish. Either in terms of h you can go or r you can go. But r if you find it will come in a root. Have you noticed it? Square is there, when you send opposite it will become root. That is what I didn't find r value. I got a h. Okay. Now you substitute. S is equal to 2 times of pi r into h value 100 divided by pi r square plus r. We have to simplify this. Okay. Take cross multiply pa. What I am getting here? 2 times pi r into 100 plus pi r cube. R square into r na r cube divided by pi r square. So what is possible to cancel? Do it. Pi cancel. 1 r is cancel. Okay. Now there is a 2 outside. Children, to avoid u by v formula, what I am going to do, this r I am going to apply separately, which means 100 divided by r plus pi r square you will be getting the balance, because r square, r cube by r na r square you will be getting. Okay. So this will be what, my dear? Yes. Okay. Yes, I want to differentiate now. Shall we? Right. So differentiate, yes, differentiate with respect to r on both sides, so that s dash is equal to 2 into 1. See, 100 is separate. Listen carefully. There is 100 is separate. 1 by r. When you differentiate what pa? Derivative of 1 by r. Very good. Minus 1 divided by r square. Okay. Plus pi into r square derivative what pa? 2r. 2 times r. With respect to r we are doing. Don't forget. Okay. Now we'll simplify this, Raja. What I'm getting, 2 into minus 100 divided by r square plus 2 pi r. Okay, that's it. Put equal to 0. Put equal to 0. You will be getting the required value of r. Let's see what we are getting. First, let's substitute. S dash is equal to 0. So what I'm getting for S dash na? 2 into minus 100 divided by r square plus 2 pi r. Plus 2 pi r, which is equal to 0. Okay. Now multiple 2, when you send opposite, now that will be divide 0. So that minus 100 divided by r square plus 2 pi r equal to 0. Minus value when you send opposite, now that will be positive. Then 2 pi r is equal to plus 100 divided by r square. R square when you bring this side, it will be r cube. 2 pi you send opposite. 2 pi when you send opposite, 100 divided by 2 times pi. Now you can cancel this. What actually 1 time how many time pa? 50. So that what is my r value ma? R is equal to 50 divided by pi. Listen, 50 divided by pi. 50 divided by pi. 50 divided by pi whole power 1 by 3. Listen carefully. Cube when you send opposite, it will become 1 by 3 in a power. Okay, be careful. This is my required value of r. Radius, we got it. Now after getting r value, what we need to say minimum? Double derivative we need. So that I am going to do double derivative. Differentiate 1 on both sides, not 1, 2. 2 I am going to differentiate, because this one I have to differentiate. So what I am getting, s double dash, which is equal to 2 into minus 100 we have here. Listen, 1 by r square when you differentiate, what you will be getting pa? 1 by r square when you differentiate, what you will be getting? Minus 2 divided by r cube you will be getting. Okay. Next, plus 2 pi into r when you differentiate. R when you differentiate, that will be 1. That's it. Now we have to substitute r cube. Yeah. See, r cube we have here. Children, listen. R cube we have here. What is that? 50 divided by pi. Ma, r cube we have 50 divided by pi. and here also we have r cube. So directly you can substitute r cube, not issue. Okay, let's go now. So that yes, double dash at r is equal to 50, sorry, r cube is equal to 50 divided by pi. What I'm getting, 2 into minus into minus plus 200 divided by r cube value what now? 50 divided by pi you will be getting plus 2 pi. See, you don't want to simplify this. Everything what ma? Positive. Everything positive now. What you can say, this is greater than 0. See, only greater than 0, less than 0 you want to find. Don't want to simplify these things. Understand what I am speaking? Right. So that what I am getting, if you want to simplify, you can simplify. This easy work only. Okay, if you want to, sir, let's simplify. Say 1 0 1 0 cancel. 1 5s are 4 5s are. Pi will be going to numerator. Then 4 pi plus 2 pi. Now what I am getting pa? 6 pi. Outside 1 2 is there. Then 12 pi you will be getting. 12 pi. That's it. Then greater than 0. If you want to simplify, you can simplify. Right. Greater than 0 na. Then what you can say? Double derivative greater than 0 na. Then r cube is equal to 50 divided by pi is what pa? Minima. So sorry, right, r. R means 50 by root 3. 50 by 1 by 3. 50 by pi power 1 by 3 is greater than 0 na, minima. Minima in the sense, that is what is the meaning? Minimum surface area. That is minimum surface area. Okay. Okay, not only minimum surface area, they asked to find R and H value. R value already we got, pa. Here we have R value already we got. What you want to find next? H value. Can I use the first page to find H value, children? First page, have you done? So let's use the first page. So that I'm going to use, I'm going to find, what is that? H value. H value where you can, here, see, answer number 1, you substitute R value, you will be getting. So that 1 implies H is equal to 100 divided by pi times R square, which is equal to 100 divided by pi. R value what na? Here we have, what ma? Pi, what is that? Sorry, 50 by pi whole power 1 by 3. That is what pa? 50 divided by pi whole power 1 by 3. Be careful when you simplify. Okay, apply 1 by 3. Is that square? Then again you have to apply power 2. Power 2, if you apply 2 by 3, you will be getting. What you will be getting, pa? 2 by 3. Okay. Right. Be careful, pa. So H is equal to 100 divided by pi into first 2, power 2 you apply. Power 2, if you apply, what I am getting? 50 into 50. What, my dear? 50 into 50. Or else, listen, pa. This is, power is different. To cancel this, we have to use some tricks actually here. See here, 50 by pi is there. So one more term also, there is a 50 by pi. Now easily you can do. This 100 by pi, we can write as 50 by pi. Am I right? 100 you can write, what is that? 2 into 50 divided by pi. Shall we write the 100 by pi? Can I write like this? Is it okay? Surely you can write, not an issue. Okay. And see this one, this denominator, when you take to numerator, what will happen? Same 50 by pi, power will be 2 by 3. But when you take to numerator, it will become what? Negative in the power. What, my dear? Negative in the power. Then what we can do? 2 into 50 divided by pi. This is like a power 1. Nothing is there, na? Power 1 meaning. Okay. So that what you can write? 1 minus 2 by 3. Base common, na? Power you can subtract. Now you simplify, what I am getting? 2 into 50 divided by pi. When you take cross multiply, 3 minus 2, 1. Again 1 by 3 you will be getting. Power 1 by 3. So this is the H value finally. Check the book bag answer, H value and R value. That's it. R value 50 by pi power 1 by 3. H value 2 into 50 by pi whole power 1 by 3. Okay. Centimeter they gave, right? Per centimeter they gave, it seems. Centimeter also you people give. That's it. So this is the required value of R value and H value for question number 21. Okay. I hope you understand this. Next, those who completed, write question number 22. Write question number 22, da Raja. Do fast. Ma, here there is a plus 2 by 3. When you take to numerator, it became minus 2 by root 3. Don't forget what formula I have used now. We know very well 1 divided by a power n if you are taking now. When you take to numerator, a power minus n you can say. That formula only I have used there. Okay. Right. Can I go to next page, pa? Is anyone writing this? Girl side, boy side. Everybody done? Good. We'll go to question number 22. 22nd, what we'll see? 22nd, they gave like a wire of length 28 meter. So there is a wire, it seems. There is a wire. Listen, pa. There is a wire, lengthy wire we have. The length is what? 28 meter. Okay. Wire name I will give A to B. This is a lengthy wire. 28 meter we have. Listen carefully, all students. Is to be cut into 2 pieces. See, they said the wire is cut into 2 pieces, they said. But which length they are giving cut, they didn't explain. Just the wire made into 2 pieces. That's it. Okay. So that anywhere else you just cut, we don't know where we are cutting. This is the point C. So the AC I'm going to make what? One piece is to be made into a square. One piece they made into what, my dear? Square, it seems. One piece they made into square. Okay. The AC became square now, and other into a circle. Other piece what they said, pa? So means the BC piece we are making into a circle. Okay. The BC piece we are making into circle. That's it. Now see, my dear, BC became circle, AC became square. That is they are telling. Okay, there is a wire, ma. There is a AB is a wire. The AB wire cut into 2 pieces. One is AC length, another one is BC length. But still we don't know what is the AC length, BC length. Okay, right. AC length became square piece. They made into a square shape, and BC length wire they made into a circle piece. Okay. Now, if I'm taking AC as a X na, then what it will be? Listen, AC will be X na. Then what is the square will be? The X will be where it will come in a square? Can you tell me, anyone? X where it will come? All the side. Very good, very good. What it will come? All the side. All the side now. If I'm taking side of the square as a A, then what it will be? Perimeter equal to X you will be getting. What, my dear? Perimeter equal to X. That means 4 times A is equal to X. Have you understand? That is all the side. Sum of all the side is equal to, I'm telling. Same manner, BC length only became a circle. BC length only became a circle. So in that BC length, that BC, here AC length, then BC length only we can say again perimeter. Perimeter, what is the perimeter of circle? 2 pi r. What, my dear? 2 pi r. But if I'm taking radius as r, it will be 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r. But if it is x here, children, if it is x na, total length 28. If it is x na, what about remaining piece ba? 28 minus x. Then BC length I have what? 28 minus x is equal to 2 pi r. So based on the requirement, you can use r value. So then what is the r value? 28 minus x divided by 2 pi, which is equal to r. And here we have x value as a 4a. Is it okay, pa? How we are getting radius? How we are getting x? But wait. Here, listen, r in terms of x. Then a also you should find in terms of x. Then only everything will be in a single variable. Then you find a. What is the a? A is equal to what? X divided by 4. A equal to x divided by 4. R equal to 28 minus x divided by 2 pi. That's it. Now you can use these things. This everything very important word. Don't think rough work. It is a since work. Okay, in the since portion we are doing all those things. Now we'll go in a question. Right. In question what they are telling? Just the 1.5 line meaning what I have done here. Then what is the next line we'll see. What should be the length of two pieces? Means they asking a AC length, BC length what? To find AC length and BC length. Let AB equal to 28 meter wire. Okay. Then the two pieces are AC comma BC. Okay, AC became a circle. Okay, so AC became circle and all we have explained that limit. What should be the length means to find AC and BC. Okay, right. AC means X that we know. X if we find that meaning is AC. Don't forget. Right. Or else since you mentioned let AC is equal to X na, then BC is equal to 28 minus X. Don't forget. Then one value X if we find everything will be getting. That's it. Very simple. Okay. Right. Then what is the keyword? Very important keyword. Which one we have to differentiate? That you have to continue again. So that combined area, very important, combined area of square and circle is minimum. Have you noticed it? Combined area of square and circle is minimum. Then combined area which is equal to area of square plus area of a circle. That is called combined. You have to add. Okay. Combined means you have to add. Area of square what? A square. Area of circle what? Pi r square. Okay. That is combined area means we will take what we will take name. Shall we take A? A I will take. Combined area A I am taking. Then we have to convert into single variable. What is the variable I am going to use? A value we know here x by 4. A value I know what made x by 4. So that x square 4 square 16 plus pi into r square. But r value only we have. R value that you apply 28 minus x divided by 2 pi. Okay, divided by 2 pi square. Now we can start to differentiate. Now we can start to what, my dear? Differentiate. Shall we apply the derivative? Before that we'll apply the power. One time we'll apply the power. Okay, separate. For constant separately we'll apply the power. So when you apply the power, what I'm getting? X square divided by 16 plus pi we have here. So that what I'm getting here 28 minus x whole square. Denominator if you apply a 2 square 4 pi square. So 1 pi cancelled. Remaining let's go. Here x square divided by 16 plus 28 minus x whole square divided by 4 times pi. This is my a value. Now a value we have to differentiate. Now only I got a value. A value I have to differentiate. Okay, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. X. Differentiate with respect to x. So that a dash is equal to 1 by 16. Let it be as it is. 1 by 16 as it is. X square when I differentiate it will be 2x. It will be what, ma? 2x. That means 2x will be as it is. By 16 will be as it is. Right. Now divide by 4 pi as it is because denominator 4. Multiply 4 divide 4 and all will be as it is. Okay. Now numerator 28 minus x whole square when you differentiate 2 will be coming down. 28 minus x whole power 1. Differentiate now 2 minus 1 will be coming ma. that you can write 1 directly. Then 28 when you differentiate 0, x minus x derivative 1, that's it. Okay, that's it. Now whatever possible to simplify you can do it. 1 2s are 2 2s are. Anything else? That's it. Now what I am getting here, 2x, sorry, here also 2 is possible. 1 time 8 time. So finally what I am getting, x divided by 8 plus into minus minus 28 minus x divided by 2 pi. Okay, this is what pa a dash. Take answer number, what is that, 1. Okay, now we have to put equal to 0 to find x value. Okay, put equal to 0 pa, put equal to 0, put put a dash is equal to 0 means what I am getting, if a dash is equal to 0, what I am getting, x divided by 8 minus 28 minus x divided by 2 pi, which is equal to 0. Minus number when you send opposite, it will be positive, mean 28 minus x divided by 2 pi. Now you can cancel the number. 1 2s are, 4 2s are. 4 and pi you take cross multiply pa. When you take cross multiply, x pi 4 into 28. 28 4s are what pa? 8 4s are, sorry, yeah, 8 4s are, yeah, 8 4s are 32, remaining 3. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 na 11, minus 4 into x, 4x. Minus 4x you bring left hand sides. Then what I am getting, x pi minus 4x when you bring opposite na, plus 4x equal to 112 I am getting. X if you take outside commonly, Raja, x if you take commonly outside, x if you take commonly outside na, I will be getting x into pi plus 4, which is equal to 112. Then x is equal to 112 divided by pi plus 4. Pi plus 4. This is my required value of x. Required value of x. Okay, this is the value of x. Now what I need, I need a double derivative. I need a double derivative. I need a double derivative to say what ma, minimum. So that I am going to differentiate answer number 1. So that I am going to differentiate answer number 1. Differentiate answer 1. What I am getting, a double dash which is equal to, see, 1 by 8, let it be x derivative 1, so that 1 by 8 it will be coming minus, divided by 2 pi also as it is, don't change anything. Here 28 derivative what na, 0, 28 derivative 0 minus x derivative what na, 1, x derivative what na, 1, that's it. So finally what I am getting, 1 by 8, this minus will be positive. So minus and minus plus 1 divided by 2 pi. So whatever you see, you should apply the x value here, but if you apply also, no change, this will be positive only, greater than 0. If you apply also what my dear, no change, which is no negative there. So that greater than 0. If a double derivative greater than 0 na, then x is what is that, minima. Minima, that is, what is minimum? Combined area is minimum, that is, okay, combined area is minimum. Combined area is what my dear, minimum. Okay, that's it. Then what they asked to find the x value, I mean AC and BC, both we have to find. X na we got AC pa, x na we got AC. Then what we have to find ma, BC also. Take the AC value, substitute in the BC, then you will be getting BC equal to what we know. BC is equal to 28 minus x. X value what? 112 divided by pi plus 4. Okay, take cross multiply. What I am getting pa? 28 into pi, 28 pi. 4 into 28, 112 minus 112 we have divided by pi plus 4. Wow, plus and minus cancel. Plus 112 minus 112 cancel. Then what I am getting as BC length? BC length what? 28 pi divided by pi plus 4. That's it, pa. Ma, AC length, BC length, we got it. Pa, AC length, BC length, we got it. Have you understand, Raja? Finally, you have to write. Therefore, what is the? Therefore, the two pieces, the length of two pieces are AC and BC value. You have to mention if you want. Okay. Are you understand, my dear? Are you understand? Is it okay? Right. Finishing, you write. Therefore, the length of two pieces are AC length, BC length. You write. Okay, children. Thank you. 23rd question. I will come in the next video. Thank you, partaker. Bye. See you later. Say bye, da.